Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Wi-Fi QR code from your iPhone. This option is available in iOS 18.2. To do so all you have to do is look for Passwords app, unlock it, and here you have to look for Wi-Fi. So right now I am connected with this IT admin network. So here you can choose the Wi-Fi you want to create the QR code. So let's say I will use this network, show network QR code, and from here you can take the screenshot and share it with the other peoples.